okay? And this way it's not going to get loose, and then you tension it. The amazing thing is the plastic has been on the sun for so many rides. Alright guys, so welcome to my men's cave again, and we're going to talk a little bit about ROK straps. Okay, I have them for many years and they work excellent, and I want to mention them because they've been on the sun for many years. Okay, these are the little ones. These they have been on our adventure bike. They've been on this pannier, the little ones, for like about more than 5 years. And I have the other one on the bike, so I'm going to show you how to tie it up. I am not sure what the model name is. This is approximately, let's say, 15 centimeters, a couple of feet long. Let's say it's about the width is about 8 centimeters, like a half inch. The amazing thing is the plastic has been on the sun for so many rides. If you go back to our adventure videos, you can see all around Italy, all around Greece, places in Europe, and some of it hasn't burned out from the sun. That's the amazing thing. It's not just a strap that is still good. It's the quality of this plastic material, probably ABS. That's the reason I'm doing this video, because any kind of plastic I have bought in my life, it's these things, they crack up and they break. Okay, now this is the other one I have. I have about 4 sets of everything. This one is 23 millimeters. I'll say about 1.25 inches approximately for this one, and these are pretty long. I'm not sure how long they are. About looks like a meter. Let's say about 4 foot long. This one. This is the 2 sets that I use. The small one and this big one. Now the most important thing is when you loop them. I'm going to show you on the bike. You have to put the buckle on the top. That means it has to be tied from this side into the frame somewhere. Okay. The reason for it is you can get a loose. You see that? And when you tension this side and this side, then you can tension it, and then that becomes secure. You see what I'm talking about? It becomes secure. So this is the right side up. All right, let's put this one on the motorcycle. On this bike I'm going to use it to hold the camping chairs. Okay, on this bike I have already tensioned this one. Look how old this is. All right, put it through the loop, then put here the other side, and as you can see, I can take it off easily. All right, it goes through the loop of the bag of the chair, so just in case. Then I put it here where it's like a little channel, and I can tension it a little more. Alright, this is the chair. Then I'm gonna put again the bottom side onto the bike, this side here. I'm gonna put it on the bottom one because it will not get loose. It has 2 bolts here. Now also, when I take the cargo off the bike, when I take the bags off the bike, I can just put them in here, inside the panniers, so they don't get stolen. You see that? It goes right here. So there's no way they can steal it, except if they're going to cut it. Here, with the logo on the top, I always put the logo on the top. It will go here around this bolt, and I can put the soft part of the bag. And I can tension it here. Alright. And I don't think it's going anywhere. Okay. Of course I can fit the bags inside, but I need the space. Alright, so these ones now, I'm going to show you how I have done it on that pannier. On the pannier, I have looped them through the pannier inserts here and here, and also I can remove them when I go to the hotel, or just put them inside here. Alright, and on the back I leave them on to the pannier all the time, and they go like that also. Alright, we usually will put on the top like a bag with the rain gear or our jackets or something like that. And these straps, they've been also everywhere. Look the places here: Paso de los Delvio, Paso, Pordoy, La Paz, everywhere, and all around Greece also. Okay, so you see, this is the important part. You put these on the top. Alright, look at that. Then you can tension it as much as you want. Then you can do a loop somewhere here for extra security. And that's how they go. When you go to the hotel, make a knot here and just strap them inside. This is what I do. I just disconnect them from here, and I'm just drop them inside and close the pannier completely. Alright? So this way they're not gonna get stolen or something like that. Okay, again, if you want to put a big one, alright, you loop the one side here. Again, you put the bottom one, this one, onto the bike, not the top one. Alright, make it straight. Let's untie this. Okay, so let's say you have a bag like that, and you can put it through these straps, of course, for extra security, but just for the video, I'm gonna put it like that. And this way, it's not gonna get loose. And then you tension it. And then, if you want, you can make a loop here or secure the strap on the back here too. They're excellent quality, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up.